A tutorial on using brushless 4-axis aerial photography drones. Distinguish between the front and back sides of the battery. Press and hold the bottom buckle button of the battery during disassembly. Unplug the battery. Drone frequency synchronization. After turning on the drone power, place the drone on a horizontal surface. Turn on the remote controller power again. At this point, the lights on the drone flash rapidly. The light on the remote controller flashing. Push the left joystick of the remote controller up, and then pull it down. At this point, the indicator lights on the remote controller and drone remain on for a long time, indicating successful frequency synchronization. 1 key calibration. Press the one-click calibration button on the remote controller. The remote controller emits a DI sound. The drone flashes and stays on for a long time. Represents successful calibration. Start flying. Push the left joystick upwards to raise the drone. Pull down the left joystick to lower the drone. Push the left joystick to the left, and the drone will turn left. Push the left joystick to the right and the drone will turn to the right. Push the right joystick upwards to move the drone forward. Pull down the right joystick, and the drone will move backwards. Push the right joystick to the left, and the drone flies to the left. Push the right joystick to the right, and the drone will fly to the right. 1 click up, 1 click down. Press the 1 click up button on the remote controller. At this point, the unmanned opportunity automatically rises to a height of 1.5 meters. Press the 1 button down button on the remote controller. At this point, the unmanned aircraft will automatically land on the ground. Obstacle avoidance mode. Remove the cover plate for the installation position of the obstacle avoidance equipment. Inserting obstacle avoidance equipment. After turning on the computer, press the button to activate obstacle avoidance mode. Press again to turn off obstacle avoidance mode. Avoid obstacles on all sides and retreat in the opposite direction to the obstacles. Adjust the lens up-down. The drone camera is adjustable. Scroll the camera button on the remote controller. The camera can be tuned up-down. Remote controller charging. Insert the charging cable into the remote controller socket. When charging, the indicator light comes on. The indicator light turns off when fully charged. Charging time is about 60 minutes. Note if the indicator light does not change during charging. This indicates that the battery is fully charged. No need to recharge. Charging of drone lithium batteries. Insert the battery into the USB charging cable. The red light comes on, indicating the start of charging. The red light goes out after being fully charged. Charging time is about 90 minutes. Note if the battery is plugged into the charger. The Android headlights on the battery are not on. No need to recharge. Download Aircraft app. Scan the system QR code corresponding to the instruction manual and download and install it. Open your phone's Wi-Fi. Connect the signal emitted by the aircraft. Open the aircraft app after successful Wi-Fi connection. Remote controller phone holder installation. Lift up the phone stand in the middle of the remote controller. Stretch upwards to place the phone. Installation of wind blades. Align the fan blades with the motor shaft and install them. The identification of the boom and the identification of the fan blades should be consistent. Tighten the screws clockwise.